drive around, let's try it.
We'll go.
We'll go. This is Nelson's house. Every man should do his duty. I don't have to do that, do I?
Oh well, nice.
Yeah, anyone of them.
Okie dokie.
When I go cleaning windows.
You're not going your way, though. Going this way, though. Right,
And it's Schumacher.
Can we let him have that? There's a car. No, that's good. Can't do that.
Optimus Prime to the Decepticon.
That's a good one.
What's this? This is randomly.
Murray to win it.
That's probably not on camera actually, that was a bit high. He's left-handed in fact. Murray to win it.
Halt! Who goes there?
Where's all the kangaroos? Boomerang.
Robin Hood, Prince of Thieves.
Alright, alright.
That's cool.
Right, hang it up. This is the main flower.
That's connected, isn't it? We're off to Bottom Moon to follow Mr. Spoon.
In a boat.
Maybe I could.
Maybe like you have to try to do all three in one. They've already done the move. They've already done the move. That's a banana. That's a banana.
Pattern in the ring.
Good one.
Exterminate! Exterminate!
Oh, right. Okay. Meow. Kit litter. Try. I think my head looks good. Oh yeah.
Mummy, only got the spade for this sandcastle.
That's so obvious too, isn't it? Bucket. Yeah. What we need is some violin.
Soothing. Here, do you want to pull this cracker with me?
Yeah, I don't mind a bit of bling.
You still my teeth done? You like it?
Lovely smile.
You really
Really suits you. Yeah.
We'll get my other shoulder done next week.
What's that?
My other shoulder.
What's that?
Big fuck off shoulder,
Yeah.
plastic surgery.
Yeah,
it's
plastic surgery is superb.
It's bollocks.
You could, on another scale, hi, my name's Leslie Ash.
Oh, good, yeah.